What's up, Blockheads? Today I'm going to be working on the giveaway Grom for the Blockhead Bike Build. So this will be episode number 1 since the announcement anyways. So if you guys don't know, I am giving away this Honda Grom here. I do have some modifications on order for it, some of which have come in right here. Unfortunately, I haven't had a lot of time to be in the garage and film, so this is going to be a couple mods in one video. So like I said, I am giving this Grom away. It's a 2017 Honda Grom. It's got very low mileage on it. 2,237. John Maxwell rode this bike in a couple videos. Works great, runs great. It's a lot of fun. I'm giving it away through Patreon, so if you guys are part of the Blockhead Patreon and you live within the contiguous 48 United States, this is the first Blockhead bike build that is up for grabs. If y'all are interested in joining that, go check out the link below, patreon.com/blockheadmoto, and register, sign up for the site. I will drop a link below to another video that I posted up talking about how it all works. Basically, you're supporting the creation of content, you're helping to support the channel, and join the Patreon community. And for that, I take the pledges that y'all put up and I put them all together and I put that into one item to give back to the community, to you guys. And so it's grown to the point of giving away a motorcycle. So we're giving away a Honda Grom. So this is going to be episode number 1 in a series of a couple episodes. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time because there is a lot going on outside of the moto vlog. Unfortunately, this isn't my main job. This is a hobby, so I do have to find time to do all this stuff. So today I'm going to be installing some new grips on the bike. Going to be installing some new levers as well, and some bar end mirrors. So basically tidying up the handlebars, probably take this off and wrap it, do a little blockhead thing right there, and then I do have some more parts on order and on the way, and then I'll probably take care of these LEDs as well while we're at it. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we got levers changed out, we got grips changed out. It already looks a ton better. I got to go ahead and tighten this down. I'm not going to tighten that down quite yet because I still have bar end mirrors to install. So I'm going to cut the ends out of these on each side and install some bar end mirrors. All right, so I have the ends cut out of the grips there, so I have access to the round part of the bar, and we're going to go ahead and install the bar end mirrors. The way these work is pretty cool. You've got this bolt that basically goes through the mirror, and then you've got this piece of metal here, and what happens is it's slotted there so it expands. This is tapered, so as it presses in, it pushes this outwards, which grips to the inside of the bars. All right, so I'm gonna install both of those. All right, we got new grips, new bar and mirrors, new levers. Oh, gotta tighten that up. And same for this side, bar and mirror, new grip. And you gotta make sure that that snaps back to 0 so we're good there. There's enough space in between. And new lever. So gotta tighten this up, gotta tighten that back up. Put that sleeve back over. And then I want to do something with this, but that might be the next episode. All right, there you have it, guys. That is the mods for this episode. Once again, bar end mirrors, new grips, new levers. Cleaned up this left side. It was grip on the left side was peeling off. It was a little scraped up. Looks much better already. If we get off the bike, you can see, you know, I mean, it just matches better. It matches the forks, levers, instead of it being red. The only other red thing we have on there is the calipers, but for future build episodes, man, I need a better air conditioner in this garage. It is hot. Anyways, that is it for this episode, guys. I hope y'all are liking the direction that it's going. We just knocked out 3 modifications right there. Boom, real super quick. Next up, like I said, I've got an exhaust on the way, so we're gonna be throwing an exhaust on there. And I'll probably be doing something with the side panels. We'll definitely be throwing some more Blockhead stuff on there. Maybe some engine, like crash protection. You guys let me know your thoughts. Patrons, be sure to chime in here, guys. I really need y'all's thoughts and opinions on this, and would love to hear what you guys think. Anyways, like I said, if you guys are interested in joining the Blockhead Bike Build, be sure to check out Patreon at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Link and everything in the description down below if you want to check it out and join. Hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Hit the bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.